how to cancel Air Tahiti Nui flight. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can cancel Air Tahiti Nui flight. So how do you cancel this flight? It is simple. The first step is to log into your Air Tahiti website page. Once you are logged in, scroll down to the section where you can see online check-in, manage my booking, arrival and departures, news. So ensure you click on manage my booking. So on manage my booking page, you can see options for you to retrieve, customize and manage your trip. So scroll down to the section where you'll be asked to enter in your booking reference, your last name, click on submit. And then once you've done that, your flight will be displayed. Once you can see your flight, the next step is to select is to choose the option to cancel flight on the flight detail page. You see the option cancel flight, so select that. Then a list of prompts will be displayed on your screen. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation, and then you must note that cancellation fees may apply depending on your fare type and the timing of your cancellation. So that is it. But if you booked your flight through a third party, such as a travel agency, please contact the agency directly to confirm your reservation. All right, take note of that. This is how you can cancel your flights on Tahiti Nui. Thank you for watching and have a good day.